If you find that there's a problem, if there's an external party that might have been involved in this, you need to report it. You need to, it doesn't matter if it's brother, sister, mother, father, friend of the family, imam, I don't know, Quran teacher. You need to punish these people right away, because I'll tell you why. It's not about not forgiving. It's not people think that you're hiding the sin and Allah will hide your sins on the day of judgment if you hide the sins. No, no, no. This is not like that. This is a crime. There's a difference between a personal sin. So let's say you catch someone watching porn and then you hide their sin. Say you advise them, you don't disclose it to everyone. It's different. When you catch someone raping someone or abusing someone, this is a crime. This is no hiding now. There's no hiding here. You report it. You address it. So that this person, he didn't do it for the first time. I guarantee you, a criminal, when they get caught, and that's why the punishments of Islam are so strict. When a criminal gets caught, it's not the first time they committed the crime. Allah yastur alayk. Allah, He protects you from your sins and He doesn't expose you. He's a sattir. He's the one who covers you. But when you become a criminal and you keep doing it over and over and over and over again, now it's not about sin anymore. Now it's a habit. It's a lifestyle. And then Allah will expose you. So it's your responsibility to report it and for this to be punished by the correct authorities, of course. Now don't take matters into your own hand. And to get justice. Because this child, you might have messed up their whole life. The criminal messed up their whole life. And you as a parent, if you do not take the right measures, you will mess up their whole life. And the child will grow knowing that my father, my mother didn't defend me. Islam didn't defend me. They move away from Islam. They start hating the deen. They start hating their mother and father. And they start having psychological disorders, stress, anxiety, all kinds of things. So you have to take action.
Please like, share and subscribe to the Digital Member YouTube channel and hit the notification bell. Please also like, share and subscribe to our Facebook and Twitter. Links in the description of this video.